Evidence can be seen from above. A super low tide exposes the remains of vehicles buried deep in the sand. Local resident Yves Janssen examines the sunken artifacts.
It's a part of a truck, probably a Bedford. As you can see from the front wheels of this truck, it has not been used for many kilometers. The tires are still in good condition. Dunlop, reinforced for heavy service. All these trucks were used to make pontoons during 1940. And all the trucks available, they were brought on the beach, and the people could walk on it and reach to the boats without swimming.
The soldiers drive trucks as far as possible into the water and lay planks of wood over them to create the makeshift jetties. They assemble multiple pontoons along the beaches, which keep the men dry as they board the small vessels. 2 days into the evacuation, little ships are setting off back to Britain, packed to the brim. Thousands of men may finally be on their way home. But on the land, Hitler's tanks and infantry move ever closer. And in the air, his Stuka bombers target the rescue ships